Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American laundromat. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a student on his first visit to a laundromat and his neighbor. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What was the first laundromat called? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Erin. Is this too much for one trip?
Good morning, Ken. That looks fine. Everybody carries a big basket on Sunday.
My basket is heavy today, and I have this big comforter too.
Oh, that is a big one. Is that from your bed?
Yes, I wanted to wash it for 2 months. My washing machine is broken, and even when it worked, this comforter was too big for it.
I understand. A lot of people have that problem.
So, can you wash something like this at the laundromat? I really do not know.
We can ask when we get there. Do not worry about it now.
Thank you. I am a little nervous. I have never used an American laundromat.
It is easy. I go every Sunday morning. Look, this is my basket.
Your basket is very full, too. Do you wash everything on Sunday?
Yes, every week. Sunday is my laundry day. Now let us walk. We need to hurry a little.
Hurry? It is only 20 minutes past 7.
I know. That is why we are leaving now. Sunday morning is the busiest time of the whole week at a laundromat.
Really? At 7 in the morning?
Yes, many people come before 8 o'clock. If we get there at 10, all the machines will be full.
All of them?
All of them. Then you stand next to the wall with your basket and you wait 20 or 30 minutes.
That sounds bad. And my comforter is heavy.
Then walk a little faster, Ken.
I am walking, but I still have one question.
Ask me.
The machines, all the words on them are in English, and I do not know which button to push.
That is normal on the first day. I will stand next to you and show you every button.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Wow! It is much bigger inside than I thought.
There are about 40 machines here, small ones on this side, big ones in the back.
And it is warm in here. It smells clean.
It always smells like soap. Come, I will show you one machine.
This one?
This one is free. You open this door, put your clothes in, and close it. Then you choose your buttons here.
These buttons at the top?
Yes, hot water, warm water, cold water, and so on. We will talk about those later. First, money.
How much is one wash?
For a small machine like this, it is $2.50.
$2.50. Okay. Where do I put the money?
There are 2 ways to pay. This is the coin slot for coins, and this is the card reader.
2 ways? Which one should I use?
You can use either one, but most of the new machines here take a card.
I do not have a card for this.
You can buy one at the counter in the back. You put money on the card, and then you touch the card here.
And the coins?
Only quarters, 25 cents.
Only quarters. So for $2.50, that is
10 quarters for every wash.
10. And then the dryer too?
Yes, and the dryer too. So people always needed a lot of quarters. For many years, that was the only way to pay.
That is a lot of coins.
It is. Look, I still have some in my pocket right now.
You have 5 or 6.
And I keep more in my car, a little box of them next to my seat.
But you do not need them now, right?
No, I do not. I have a card, but I still keep the coins. It's an old habit. A lot of people here do the same thing.
Excuse me, do you work here?
I do. Good morning. Do you need some help?
Yes, please. I would like to buy a card for the machines.
Sure. A new card is $1, and then you put money on it. How much do you want on the card?
$10, please.
$10. Here you go. Just touch the card on the reader and the machine will start.
Thank you. Can I ask you one more thing?
Of course.
Can I wash this here? It is my comforter from my bed.
Let me see it. Oh, yes, that is a nice big one.
It is too big for my machine at home. I tried one time and the door did not close.
That happens a lot. Do not use the small machines here either. For that size, you want one of the big machines in the back.
The big ones, by the window.
Yes, that row. Those machines are 3 times bigger inside. People wash comforters, blankets, and sleeping bags in them.
I did not know that.
Yes, that is why many people come here.
Can I ask something else? Maybe it is a strange question.
Go ahead.
Do people come here only for big things like this?
All the time. A lot of my customers have a washing machine at home. They are here today only because of a blanket or a comforter.
Really? So I am not the only one.
Not at all. Some people come 3 or 4 times a year and only for the big things. You are in the right place.
Thank you. I felt a little strange when I walked in. Now I feel better.
You are fine here. The big machine is $7 and it takes about 40 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good luck. Ask me if you have any problems.
Erin, I found the big machines. Donna said to use this one.
Perfect. That is the right size for your comforter. Do you have soap?
No, I forgot it at home.
No problem. They sell it here. Look at this shelf.
There are so many kinds.
Any of them is fine. Take that one. Now open the cap.
Okay, it is open.
Do you see the line inside the cap?
Yes, there is a small line near the bottom.
Fill the cap to that line. That is all you need.
Only to the line? That is not very much. If I use more soap, my clothes will be cleaner, right?
No, everybody thinks that, but it is wrong.
Really?
Too much soap makes too many bubbles. The soap stays in your clothes and the dirt stays too. Your clothes come out hard and they are not clean.
So more soap is worse than less soap.
Yes, fill it to the line and stop.
Okay, to the line. Done.
Good. Now the water. Look at these 3 buttons: hot, warm, and cold.
Hot is the best, right? Hot water for a big, dirty comforter.
Push cold.
Cold for this?
Cold is fine. Here is the reason. When you wash in hot water, about 90% of the electricity goes to heating that water.
90%? Only for hot water?
Only for that. So when you push hot, you are not paying for cleaner clothes. You're paying for hot water.
Only for hot water. Wow.
And cold water is better for colors. Your dark shirts will keep their color much longer.
My blue shirt is light blue now. Maybe this is the reason.
Maybe. One more thing. Keep white things and colored things in different machines.
Different machines? Every time?
Every time. A new red shirt can turn all your white socks pink.
Pink socks? Okay, I will remember that.
Good morning. Is this seat free?
Good morning. Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. My legs are not young anymore.
I know that feeling. Do you come here every Sunday?
Every Sunday for many, many years. I am Walter.
Nice to meet you, Walter. I am Erin. I come on Sundays too, but I usually sit near the door.
Ah, that is why I have not seen you. The window is better. You can watch the street.
It is nice here. It's a busy morning today.
It is always busy. Sunday morning is like this.
My friend is here for the first time today. He's learning everything.
The first time. Ha, I remember my first time. I was 6 years old.
6? That is early.
My grandmother took me. She held my hand and we walked here with a big brown bag.
That is a lovely thing to remember.
She never called it a laundromat, you know?
No? What did she call it?
She called it a washateria.
A washateria? I have never heard that word in my life.
Not many people say it now, but that was the first name for a place like this.
Really? The first name?
Yes, the very first one opened in Texas, in a city called Fort Worth in 1934.
1934. That is a long time ago.
It is, and it was not like today. You did not put money in the machine.
No? Then how did you pay?
You paid for time. You rented a machine for 1 hour or for 2 hours. It was like renting a room.
For time? That is so different. And your grandmother still used that old name?
Until she was 90 years old. Washateria. I can still hear her voice.
That is a nice story. Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for listening. Tell your friend the word. Maybe he will keep it.
The washing is finished. The big machine stopped.
Good. Let us move everything to a dryer. Take the comforter first. It is heavy when it is wet.
Wow, it is really heavy, like a big animal.
Use that big dryer at the end.
Okay. Wait, what is this? Erin, look at this.
Ah, you found the lint trap.
It is covered. It is all gray and soft, like a little blanket.
That is lint. It comes off your clothes when they get hot and dry.
All of this from clothes?
All of it. Every time you dry something, a little bit comes off.
The person before me did not clean it.
No, they did not. So now you do it. That is the rule here. If the last person did not clean the trap, you clean it before you start.
Is it really that important?
Very important. If the trap is full, the hot air cannot move.
And then what happens?
Your clothes stay wet. You wait 1 hour, you pay again, and they are still wet.
So I lose money and time.
And there's a bigger reason. A full trap blocks the air. Then the dryer gets too hot and dry lint can catch fire. Dryer fires happen every year.
A fire? Okay, I will always clean it.
Good. Now pull the trap out, straight up.
Like this? It's out.
Now use your fingers. Pull the lint off in one piece.
It comes off like paper.
Now put it in the trash and push the trap back in.
Done. How long should I dry the comforter?
Start with 45 minutes. Big things need a long time.
And if it is still wet after that?
You add more time. put more money in and push start again.
That is easy. Now we wait.
Ken, the dryer stopped. Come and take everything out.
It is hot.
I know. Bring it all to this table, quickly.
Can I sit down for 1 minute first? I am tired.
No, not yet. Fold it now while it is still warm.
Why now? I can fold it at home.
You can, but it will look bad. Warm clothes sit in the basket and get cold. Then the wrinkles stay in them.
And then?
And then you need an iron. Do you want to iron 6 shirts tonight?
No, I do not even have an iron.
Then fold them now.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, that is good. Shirts first, then the small things.
This is nice. Everything is warm in my hands.
That is the best part of the day, I think.
Now the big one. Help me, please.
Sure. You take that side, and I will take this side. Now walk to me.
Oh, look at it. It is so soft now. It looks like a new one.
The big machines do a good job. Was it flat before?
Very flat. Now it is full of air.
You look happy.
I am happy. I am going to sleep well tonight. Really well. For 2 months I looked at that comforter and did nothing.
And today it took 2 hours.
2 hours. My mother in Japan always said the same thing about folding.
The same thing. What did she say?
Fold it while it is warm. The same words in Japanese.
Mothers know these things everywhere.
It is funny. Different country, same idea. I will come back next Sunday, before 8 o'clock.
Before 8. Good.
And next week I will bring my own soap.
Now you know everything. I will knock on your door at 7:30.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What was the first laundromat called? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.